Which of the following statements are true? Select all that apply. Again, there might be more than one correct answer, so we better be careful. The first correct answer is B. The snowshoe hare population has approximately a 10-year cycle. Ups and downs. Let's look at the graph here. The blue graph is the population of the snowshoe hare. The maximum here occurs at 1903, and it dips down again. And we have another big population spike here at 1913. And when you look at the cycle here, from peak to peak, from maximum to maximum, 1913 minus 1903 is going to be 10 years. So this seems quite reasonable. E is also correct. There are times when there are approximately equal numbers of snowshoe hare and lynx. So the population of lynx here is orange, and we're talking about the intersection here. During 1904, around 1904 and 1905, at this time, and also here, this time, maybe perhaps 1914-ish, as well as here, 1918-ish. During these times, the populations are tied. And indeed, their populations are approximately equal. Let's take a look at why these other choices are unreasonable. Choice A, in 1913, there were 20 lynx. So in 1913, we're over here, look to the side, we notice the number 20, but read carefully, the population is in thousands. So there were 20,000 lynx. This is way too low. We need a couple of extra digits here. So this is incorrect. Choice C. The snowshoe hare population is always greater than the lynx population. So we're talking about the blue graph is always above the orange graph. Not true. Look at 1905. Incorrect. B. The lynx population peaks about 5 years after the peak of the snowshoe hare population. So let's take a look at the first peak here. Notice how the peak for the lynx occurs at 1905, which is only 2 years after. Let's take a look at the other peak. In 1913, we have lots of snowshoe hares, and just 2 years later, we have lots of lynxes. Perhaps after there are so many hares, lynxes tend to do well because they have so many snowshoe hares to eat. So soon afterwards, the lynx population pops up, but then as there's no food left, perhaps it goes back down.